Well, this is probably something I'm going to regret in like 10 seconds. I'm gonna play Power Drill Massacre, a really scary game that I've watched on YouTube. Puppet Combo presents. This game is very scary, so if you don't like jump scares, you should probably just turn off the video. And we have a nice sunset today, it seems like. It's 10 out there. Okay, boring news. Dodgers lost 3-0. Yay. Uh-oh. My car crashed. Probably got angry because we lost. Your sports team lost? I don't know why. Jeff. Jeff. You okay? Oh, I can't feel my legs. Don't worry, Jeff, I'll go get help. This is the worst headache ever, but I think I'm alright. It's getting dark, better get the flashlight out of the trunk. This is a retro style horror game. It looks like... It may look like a shitty PS1 game, but it's good. Yeah. Kinda jumped at the title there, don't kill me for that. Designed by Benedetto Cocusa. Thanks for making this game. Can I jump off the hill? That looks like a building in the distance. Maybe I can use the phone. And this grainy overlay is not your screen, it's part of the game. And it makes it look like you're stuck in the 80s. This is throwback. When am I recording this? A Tuesday? Throwback Tuesday. So the beginning of the game is just running. It's just me running up this mountain to die. Oh jeez, I don't wanna play this. But I guess yeah. It's gonna be a sound now, so lower volume. 3, 2, 1. Ding dong. Who's here? The guy up there is probably friendly. What? Oh yeah, enter. Hello? Oh, that noise scared me. Go inside. Yes. What a creepy building. What a creepy building. Famous last words. And now the real game begins. Here we go. The objective of the game is finding 3 keys and escape. But as you can see by the title of Power Drill Massacre, there's a guy here with a drill that wants to shove it up my ass, and he spawns from those doors. Whoa! Oh, that was seriously a bit scary. The search continues for 2 missing campers in the Pocono Mountains. Mason C. Sargent and Laurie Summers of Long Island, New York have been missing since June 8th. Their campsite and belongings have been located, but investigators have few leads. Police said there are no visible signs of a struggle, and this continues to be a rescue mission. The arrest is missing dating August 1982, 5 years ago. Seriously, it can pop out at any time, so I'm really fucking scared. Uh-oh. Oh jeez. If I hear like running footsteps behind me, is there? Fuck. I ran into a table and died. Yay. Alright. Take 2. And the keys spawn randomly. Yay, key! I got a blue key. 1 out of 3. Got lucky with that one. A key might spawn in there. What? Something flashed on my screen. Sugar tunnel. Oh no. Oh fuck. Uh-oh! It's after me! Oh god! Help! You sound like a fucking train! Ow! Ow, 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 ouch, 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 ouch! Uh-oh, he's still here! Choo choo! Here comes the pain train! Dead. Ugh.